Hello, welcome. In this audio guide, we'll walk you through installing the CodeWhisperer extension in both Visual Studio Code and Jupyter Lab, so you can supercharge your coding experience. 1. Launch VS Code, add CodeWhisperer extensions, then sign in to get started, confirm code for Builder ID, and finish your AWS authentication. Three, how to test auto-suggestions using Python file. Create new Python file and add comment saying create a function to list the S3 buckets in AWS and press enter. It will show the auto-code suggestions to complete your code lines super fast. Please remind yourself to make any corrections. Now let's see how to use CodeWhisperer in Jupyter Lab. 1. Let us first install few packages using pip install. Before that, we have to ensure we have installed Jupyter Lab version greater than 4.0. If you have existing Jupyter Lab environment, then install CodeWhisperer 2. Launch new Jupyter Notebook in your environment. Open new notebook in your lab environment. Then bottom middle, you will see option called CodeWhisperer. Start it. Copy code and proceed. Then and complete authorization part by using confirm and allow access. Now, CodeWhisperer can access your data. Now it's time to test the code suggestions. Open new notebook and enter comment code same using nocaon like earlier practice in VS Code. For example, create function to list the S3 buckets in AWS. Make sure to hit to accept the suggestions and make correction according to required changes. That's how we can make use of CodeWhisperer.